lined up evenly, okay? Exactly, like a row. We have rows and columns, okay? Rows go horizontally, okay? They go side to side. Columns go up and down. So when this asks you about rows, they're asking you about the horizontal lines, what goes across. All right, so let's look at, let's do number 2 and number 4 on the front page. So number 2, I believe those are, I think they're apples. We'll just say they're apples. Number 2A says, what is the number of rows? So how many rows are there of apples?
3.
3, perfect. 1, 2, 3 rows.
It must be held sideways because they're holding it sideways, but it's like this. They have 1, 2, 3.
But those are columns, okay? So rows go this way. So there's 3 rows. And then B says, what is the number of objects in each row? How many apples are there in each row? Jenna?
6.
6. There's 6 apples in each row. So the number of rows is 3, because we have 3 rows. And then there are 6 apples in each row. Okay, so look up here really fast. I put X's instead of apples. This is a row, right here, okay? And then this is a row. And then finally, you have your 3rd row, okay? So rows go side to side. So we have 1, 2, 3 rows. Good? Okay, and then it asks how many were in each row. So we just have to count a row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So there's 6 objects in each row. Does everybody understand? Okay. Let's look at number 4. Number 4 says there are 5 rows of triangles. I'll put that up here really quick. Okay, I have 5 rows. How many are in each row?
4.
Oakley?
4.
4. There are 4 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 triangles in each row. On number 4. Number 4. Wyatt, skip down to number 4. There you go. Okay. Now write a multiplication expression to describe the array. So this is our array. We have 5 rows of 4 triangles. Okay? Here's a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows, 4 triangles. How can we write a multiplication expression, a math sentence using a time symbol? How can we write one using 5 rows of 4? Oakley?
We can do 5 times 4.
Yeah, 5 times 4. Because we have 5 rows with 4 in each row. Go ahead and write that down, Peyton. 5 rows of 4 in each row, so 5 times 4 equals what? Jenna?
20.
20. How'd you find that out?
I counted
counted the triangles. She knew there's 5 rows with 4 in each row. She counted, that's 20 triangles. Okay? Flip it over. And let's look at number 6. Number 6 says, Emma collects rocks. She arranges them in 4 rows of 3. Draw Emma's array to show how many rocks she has altogether, and then write a multiplication equation to describe the array. So if Emma's collecting rocks and she has 4 rows of 3, you write on your paper, or you draw on your paper 4 rows of 3 rocks. You can make X's or circles, it doesn't matter. Just 4 rows of 3. Remember, rows go side to side. And there's 3 in each row. Good. So make 3 in each row. You're good. Okay, so most of you, or I think all of you that I went by, had 3, right? You made your first row first, so 3 in row 1. And then what do I keep doing? Making rows until we get to how many?
4.
4. How many rows is that?
3.
3.
4.
4 rows of 3. This is what yours should look like. You have 4 rows of 3 in each row. What's a multiplication equation you can use to describe this array? Peyton, what do you think? Multiplication. So we're going to use a math sentence using our times symbol. Okay. You have 4 rows.
4 times 3.
Perfect. 4 times 3 equals what?
12.
12. How'd you find that?
I counted the circles.
You counted the circles.